Welcome to horn assembly or information. I'm John, and be walking you through how to restore your horn. I'll let you figure out how to take one that looks like this and turn it into this with a little elbow grease and what have you like that. The paint and stuff has been covered quite a bit. You will need, of course, a horn. There was a variety of them made, everything from the early Ames, and then they came out with the EA or FM horns, and Spartan and Stewart Warner and Jim, G-I-M. Been made over the years. Spartan are real popular because there's a reproduction tag made for them. The original tags usually look like that. Anyway, the horn assembly and everything is pretty much routine or the same in all of them. The motor base, you need the motor assembly needs to be in good working condition. We'd sent this one out and had it the windings redone and stuff because it had been shorted out. One of the problems that you get, the screw that holds this cover on goes into this hole right here. If you see below it, there's the brush holder. So if you screw down, you short it out, and you've ruined your motor. The bottom inside, this is where this housing bolts to it. Two bolts. There's this ratchet mechanism. That's the thing that engages the diaphragm, which has a little wedge piece on it to make the unit Ooga. So some of the stuff is remanufactured, some of it isn't. The diaphragms are. Our original diaphragm looked like this. It's pretty good condition. But one of the things I wanted to show you, there is a gasket, and they do remake the gaskets. They simply go in here and just get the holes lined up, and that drops in. And there is a seam on the bottom of the horn bell, and there's a small hole. This hole is important to have this hole open. This is where the water runs out, because as you're driving down the road in the rain, I know who drives their Model A down the horn in the rain. But if you do, the water will get in here and it just runs out there. Whoop. Also left the diaphragm out. You guys really threw me for a curve. Now I've got to find all the bolts. This assembly here, they make the lower plates. This is where the wires from the wire harness come in and connect to the horn, so you can push the button there on the steering wheel and get the appropriate noise. So once you get that lined up, then just we purchased new carriage bolts that are the appropriate size and finish for the judging standards. They come in an assortment. There's 2 longer ones and 4 shorter ones. The 2 longer ones are to hold the bracket on. It mounts up here. They give you a couple of lock washers to go on this part so that your horn doesn't fall off while you're motoring down the road. All right, and we put the cover on. And the little screw to hold it in place. Always helps to be able to look in. Get it started correctly. And that finishes up our horn assembly. Okay, we've got the horn installed on the Roadster. Now we can give it that ultimate test. Hopefully it works. I'll leave the mic here so you can hear it. It sounded like it worked.